Hello and welcome to the GPG Industries. Today I'm going to show you how to work USB MTK USB with VolcanoBox. At the moment I have two mobiles. One is the Q Mobile E880 and the second is Q Mobile E760. Both phones are MTK and both should be on USB. So we have two methods for MTK USB. One is from VolcanoBox port and second is from direct USB. So let me show first from Volcano port. So first of all, you have to plug phone connector plugged, then power from box. Okay, and from here you have to select MTK USB. This is selected. And then have to press detect button. No need to press any button from phone, and you have to wait for a few seconds that it will detect. Okay, here we go. In 2.63 seconds it detected. Here you can see the PID 0003. This means this phone is MTK based. As you can see, it starts charging. So what we have to do here, on this phone number pin, we will just put this ground and we'll select set pin out. So here it is, MTK USB port on COM 21. It's detected PID 003. Now your phone is ready to serve. So what I will do, MTK tab, select 625a boot, boot number 11, read flash, untick auto detect pin out, and click start. Then you can see it start reading. This phone has privacy password, not normal user code, it's privacy code. So while it's reading flash at the end, it will read privacy code for your phone. So here we will also test the privacy code from new Q Mobile based on MTK625a. It's read complete, and here it's searching for the mobile. Model was E780. Okay, let me unplug the phone. E760. E760. Let me power on the phone. Here is the privacy password. Possible password is this one or this one or this one. Three possibilities. I will try this one. Okay. Open menu. Then messages. When I will open messaging, it will asking for input privacy password. Here I hope you can see. So I will enter 11222 and press OK. Yes, it works. Okay, the second method I want to show you on normal USB cable, formal USB cable, and I have now E880, this one, this phone. What I have to do is simply insert battery. You have to keep eyes on here. this port 625A, select it, read flash, unselect from auto detect pinout. So here is some trick. As I insert USB cable, it will recognize here the port. Let me show you. I inserted here that 136 port, and you see mobile is powered on. So at this stage, you have to do just simply as you insert USB cable, and it will detect here port 136. As it detects, you have to press run very fast. Let me show you. Inserted 136 and run. You see, no need to press any boot key or anything else. This phone also have privacy code, so we will test also the privacy code will work or not. So you see, VolcanoBox is very easy to use. Just you have to know how to use it. If you know, if you're formal with it, then I don't think so. You don't need and you need any other Chinese box from Chinese mobile. So you just have to know how to use it, and I hope you don't find any problem with it. As I can show you, it's so simple. I have seen many users on forum. They can't use, even they can't connect any phone with VolcanoBox, especially MTK with USB method. So this mobile is QMobile E880. QMobile E880. So here the password is 10301. Let me test it. Okay, here it's asking for the password. So 10301. Mobile unlocked. So have a fun. Take care. Goodbye.